In this guide, we're going over the very best promo codes for Amazon here in 2025 and onwards. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you're looking for the very best promo codes here on Amazon, don't worry, this video is for you. The first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually open up a web browser of your choice and obviously navigate to Amazon. Get to your checkout section. And then within the checkout section, there's an option to actually put in a promo code. And here's where you're going to want to put in these promo codes. Simply go ahead and search Amazon promo codes and then put your month here and then the year just like so. So in my case, it's August. I'm going to put that in, hit enter, and ignore all these first couple options because none of these are going to work. You're going to want to go down at least a little bit until you see something like USA Today or a more trusted source and go to that website just like so. And it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Now, the best part about USA Today is these are updated every single day. So this is where you're going to get the better promo codes. From here, you can select get promo code just like so. It's going to load the promo code. And as you can see, this is quick to save. You could simply just go ahead and hit copy coupon and then put it into your promo code section here on Amazon. And there is a ton of these here. 50% off a car windshield. This one is specific to a specific windshield. So as you can see, this is going to be for this one right here. 80% off meds on Amazon Pharmacy, 15% off your everyday essentials. This is where you get the promo codes that actually work instead of going to any other janky sites. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.